To fix the Frigidaire Oven F31 error code, it is essential to understand what this code means. The F31 error code indicates a problem with the oven's electronic control board or the user interface. This code typically appears when there is a communication error between the control board and the user interface. First, try to reset the oven by unplugging it from the power outlet and plugging it back in after a few minutes. This simple step can sometimes resolve the issue. If the error code persists, it is likely that there is a more serious problem that needs to be addressed. Next, check the wiring and connections between the control board and the user interface. Verify that all connections are secure and not damaged. If you find any loose or damaged connections, repair or replace them as needed. If the issue is not with the wiring or connections, it may be necessary to replace the electronic control board or the user interface. Before attempting any repairs, make sure to consult the oven's user manual or a professional technician for guidance. It is also important to note that the F31 error code can sometimes be caused by a faulty oven sensor. The oven sensor is responsible for monitoring the oven temperature and sending this information to the control board. If the sensor is faulty, it can cause communication errors and trigger the F31 error code. To check the oven sensor, locate it inside the oven and verify that it is clean and not damaged. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with a new one. To prevent the F31 error code from occurring in the future, make sure to regularly clean and maintain the oven. This includes cleaning the oven sensor and checking the wiring and connections for any damage. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve the Frigidaire Oven F31 error code and ensure that your oven is working properly.